Why is Audi insurance expensive? Have you ever wondered why insuring an Audi can feel like a hefty expense? Let's break it down together. Audi vehicles are luxury cars, and that luxury comes with a price tag. The higher market value of these cars means that insurance companies charge more to cover potential losses. When it comes to repairs, Audi vehicles often have specialized parts and advanced technology. This can lead to higher repair costs if an accident occurs. Insurance companies take this into account when calculating premiums. The more expensive the parts, the more costly it is to repair, which drives up the insurance rates. Performance is another factor. Many Audi models boast impressive horsepower and advanced features. Insurers often view these cars as higher risk. This perception can be linked to the possibility of riskier driving behaviors, which can lead to more accidents. The likelihood of theft also plays a role. Some Audi models are more attractive to thieves, leading to higher premiums. Insurance companies analyze theft statistics in your area, and if Audis are frequently targeted, your rates may increase. Safety features are important too. While newer Audis come equipped with advanced safety systems that can help lower premiums, the overall cost of repairs often outweighs these benefits. If a vehicle is involved in an accident, the cost of replacing high-tech parts can be significant. Demographics matter as well. Younger drivers, especially those in their teens, usually face higher premiums due to their higher accident rates. Your driving history also impacts your rates. A clean record can help keep costs down. Location is another key factor. Insurance rates vary by region based on local accident and theft statistics. If you live in an area with high accident rates, expect to pay more for insurance. When you compare Audi insurance to other luxury vehicles, you will find that Audi rates are generally in the middle range. They are not the cheapest, but they are also not the most expensive. However, they are typically higher than non-luxuries brands. The type of coverage you choose can also affect your premium. If you opt for comprehensive and collision coverage, your rates will increase. These cover damages to your vehicle, which adds to the overall cost. To manage your Audi insurance costs, consider maintaining a clean driving record. You can also qualify for discounts, such as paperless billing or bundling multiple policies. Carefully selecting coverage levels that fit your needs can also help keep costs manageable. In summary, Audi insurance tends to be expensive due to its luxury status, high repair costs, performance characteristics, and various driver risk factors. Understanding these elements can help you navigate your insurance options more effectively.